Hi, I'm Jacob, and I'm here to talk you through the Butter Session Planner. The Butter Session Planner allows you to set up an entire session in Butter and then run it. In this view, the room view, you're able to see 5 different areas. The first is the overview, where you're able to set up the name of the session as well as the URL. You've got the waiting room, where you're able to set up the waiting room, which is the first thing that your participants will see when joining a session. You're able to invite co-facilitators. And then we've got the 2 most powerful things, namely the agenda and the toolbox. In the agenda, you're able to set up the entire session. So for this product design training session, I've got a 90-minute agenda with an introduction with YouTube, polls, PDFs, then presenting the task with a Miro board, 60 minutes of design discussions with breakouts, and so on and so forth. I'm able to click Edit Agenda, and I get into the agenda planner where I can change each of the individual agenda blocks, such as editing the title of this, editing the description, adding in various tools, and even adding some private notes. That's how I'll set up the entire agenda. Then you've got the Toolbox, which is where you add the tools that you'll be using either in the agenda or ad hoc in the session. So you can click Add the tool, and you're able to add any kind of tool. So that would be anything from Google Slides to Miro boards, music playlists, or timers. You're able to add that into your toolbox, so you're able to use that in the session. Okay, so this is all very nice, you say, but what about the actual session? So in the Butter session, you're able to see all the things that you planned here under the Start Agenda. So when I click Start Agenda, I can see, for instance, the YouTube that I've prepared here, and simply click Start, and it runs directly in Butter. You got that for all the other things that you've planned out as well. You're able to switch between the various agenda points and then start these various activities. Coming up with the Miro board here. Then you've also got the toolbox on your right-hand side, where you can click the toolbox and you can also start these various tools that you've pre-planned in the session. You're also able to add new tools ad hoc if something should come up during the session, such as you wanting to set up an interesting poll. You can create it right here. That's how planning and running sessions in Butter